We did
Yes, sir.
completed the exercise 20.1. Today we will be beginning with the new exercise that is 20.2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I gave you guys few questions from this exercise. Some of the questions are part of your assignment. Some
Yes,
questions
sir.
of this exercise are very easy. So we'll be picking only the questions which requires explanation. Okay now.
Yes, sir.
Right. So did you attempted any of the questions which were assigned as assignment? Huh?
No, sir. I just got
No.
the message right now.
Right now you got the assignment.
No, sir. Like one or 2 hours ago.
Okay, okay, 1 or 2 hours ago. Okay. So let's start doing the questions. All right now.
Yes, sir.
See from question number one, which one is difficult. Like you simply need to know one thing here, that the values are given in decimeter right now. Somewhere it's given in decimeter. So
Yes, sir.
you just need to know that 1 decimeter equals to 10 meter. Sorry, 10
Okay, sir.
decimeter
Yeah.
equals to 1 meter. 10 decimeter
Okay.
equals to 1 meter. So that is all you need to know. All right. Is there any
Yes, sir.
background noise coming from my side?
No, sir. Not till now.
Not no, no. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so start solving it.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Do let me know if there's some background noise. Okay now.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes, sir. Do I have to solve in decimeter? I have to convert into meter.
Yes, look here. The units are given in decimeter. In the first one, it's in decimeter, so you will calculate it in decimeter. Okay now. No need to
Okay.
convert it
Okay. Yes,
into
sir.
any other unit. If in the next question it's given in centimeter and decimeter, right? So
Yes,
you
sir.
will convert decimeter into centimeter.
Hmm.
3 decimeter, first you will be converting it into meter now,
Yes, sir.
right now,
And then to centimeter.
then into centimeter. Good. I believe you know some basic things like यहाँ पे आपको स्क्वायर मीटर वाली कैलकुलेशंस भी मिलेंगे, in which you will have to convert a square meter into square centimeter. So
Yes, sir.
in order to convert square centimeter into square meter, what do we have to do?
1/100 into 100.
Divide with 100 square, right now.
Yes, sir.
And to convert square meter back into square centimeter, you'll have to multiply it with 100 square, right
Yes,
now.
sir.
Okay,
Hmm. I've done, sir.
done.
160
Okay,
decimeter square.
160 decimeter square for the first one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is correct. In fact, if you want, we can convert it into decimeter also. So in decimeter, 160 square decimeter. So in meter, it will be 1.6 square meter, right?
Yes, sir.
अगर मीटर
Yes,
में
sir.
convert करते हैं. Okay. So other questions are easy. Like
Hmm.
attempt question number 3. Solve this one.
Yes, sir.
Let me drop reminder for others to join.
Yes, sir.
Arhan and Ahmed still has not joined the class.
Sir, 280 meters square.
Just a moment. Arhan and Ahmed. Yeah. 280 square meter.
Meter square. Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you converted all the units? I mean to
Hmm.
say the bases are 8 meter and 60 decimeter. Altitude
Yes, sir.
is 40 decimeter. Okay. Third number you are solving. It would be half into A plus B into the height between them. So A here is 8. Okay.
And
B here
also,
is
sir, in the question it is
60.
written we
Hmm.
have to find in square meters.
Where in the question? Yeah, you have to find it in the square meters. Yeah. So for the first one also you had to convert. Yes, Venica,
Hmm.
1.6 square meter right now. So
Yes, sir.
it's 60 decimeter. 60 decimeter means simply 6 meter. So 8 plus
Yes, sir.
6. And the height is 40 decimeter. 40 decimeter. It simply means
4.
4 meter into 4. So half
Hmm.
times 14 multiplied 4. That is 28. 28 square meter would be the answer, not 280. Okay, Aram,
Mm.
did you check
Oh,
it?
okay. Yes, sir.
Where you went wrong?
Yeah,
Okay.
sir, instead of taking 4 meter, I took 40 meter.
No, no. Right now, questions are basic, but usually we
Yes,
do
sir.
mistakes in the calculation. Okay, so that has to be avoided. Okay. Practice one more such question. Do question number
Yes, sir.
4 also.
Hmm.
Okay.
Sir, can you show the question?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Sorry. Question number 4. Okay, Arhan will not be joining today. Okay.
Sir, 9 decimeter will be 0.9 meter, right?
9 decimeter, yes. That will be 0.9 meter. We just have to divide. If it's in decimeter, just divide it with 10. You will be getting the value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. By the way, somewhere you will hear decameter also.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Decameter. So decameter is what? Simply 10 meters are called as decameter. Okay, na?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Deca basically means 10. Deca का meaning होता है 10.
Hmm.
And meter is meter simply. So 10 meters means 1 decameter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, like you will hear now hectometer also. आप hectometer भी सुनेंगे.
Hmm.
Hectometer. So hectometer. Hecto is 100 here. So 100 meter in short can be called as hectometer. All right now.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Done.
Done. Okay. What is the
Hmm.
value you're getting for question number 4 here?
Sir, 2.025 meter square.
2.025 square meter. Okay. Let me check if I have got the solution. No. So let me solve it quickly. Okay. Will you please repeat the values? What were the
Yes,
length
sir.
of bases?
The bases were 150 centimeter,
Hmm.
30 decimeter,
30
and the
decimeter.
altitude was 9 decimeter.
9 decimeter. So it will be
Yes, sir.
0.9 meter, right? It will be
Yes, sir.
1.5 meter, and it will be
3.
3 meter. So now half times 4.5 multiplied 9 upon 10 right now.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now after doing the calculation, 45 times 9 upon 2 times 100. Okay. 81 upon 400. Right. So you're getting how much value?
2.025.
2.025 now. Okay, give me a moment. 20 and 81 into. It's 40 na मैंने 400 लिख दिया गलती से. Right. It's 40
Hmm.
actually. Yeah. So that is 20 and then 0.025. Okay. That is correct. Now look for the other questions. Question number 2, question number 3, 4. Okay, 5. These questions are very easy. ये
Yes,
questions
sir.
बहुत ही easy questions है. Similarly, in this question, you see that area of the trapezium is given. Okay,
Yes, sir.
questions are of such nature like the area of this trapezium will be given. For example, it's x square centimeter, right now,
Hmm.
and then the bases will be given. For example, it's 10, it's 9 or 8 centimeter,
Yes, sir.
right now. You will be required to find the height of the figure, right?
Hmm.
In some cases,
Yes, sir.
the height will be given. This will be provided, and then
Hmm.
the area of the trapezium will also be provided. You will be required to find the sum of the opposite sides, sum of the parallel
Yes,
sides
sir.
हमें find करना होगा. So in the sum of the parallel sides, you will not get a separate value of this side or this side. हमें दोनों की
Hmm.
combined sum मिलेगी.
Yes, sir.
Getting it now? Okay, so actually let's practice one question. Should not take more than few seconds. So
Yes, sir.
take question number 5. Okay,
Yes, sir.
do this one. Hmm.
Sir, the answer is 5
The
centimeters.
answer is 5 centimeter.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So area is this much and this certain centimeter and 26 need to find the altitude. Okay. So question number 5. What were the values given? Bases were
Um,
given as
the 26 and 13.
hmm, 26, 13, right? And the
Yes,
area
sir.
was given as
65
65
centimeters square.
square centimeter, right? You
Yes,
need to
sir.
find the altitude. What is altitude?
Hmm.
So it's simply half times a plus b into h equals to 65 square centimeter, right? As
Yes,
simple
sir.
as that. So half times a plus b will be 26 plus 13 here,
39.
right? So that is 39 times height equals to 65. So height will be
Yes, sir.
65 times 2 divided by
30.
39. So height
Yes, sir.
equals to 130 upon 39
39.
now.
We can also do 2 ones are 2 and 2 into 13.
Yeah,
And 13 ones are 13 pies are.
we can do that as well. Okay, 3 13s are 39 here. 13 tens are
Hmm.
130. So 10 upon 3.
Yes, sir.
So 10 upon 3 would be the correct answer, no? In decimal, it would be 3.3 centimeter, not 5. How are you getting 5, Arham?
So in the left hand side, I divided. I cancelled 2 under 2 and 2 13s, and then I put it.
No, none of the values are getting cancelled here. Uh, how neither 2 or 39 are getting
Oh,
cancelled. It's
oh yes, sir. Yeah.
39, 39.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Okay, not 26 or not any other value. Anyways,
Hmm.
okay, I would like you to practice one more question. Okay,
Yes, sir.
question number 6 we have solved. Kare. Do this one as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, by the way, in square and square roots, which topic is currently going on in your school?
So
Hmm.
first we have done exercise 6.1, and
Hmm.
we just started with a Pythagorean triplet. It just
Pythagorean triplet.
um, you
Okay.
just did the notes, ma'am. Our teacher
Mhm.
didn't like she
Hmm.
didn't teach us.
Okay, so just notes have been given.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes,
can
sir.
you provide me some list of Pythagorean triplet number?
So I don't know.
Hmm? There are some of the Pythagorean triplets now. Like if you
Yes, sir.
remember, I actually told you these things in the class. हमने discuss किया था actually. For example, Pythagorean triplets are what? Like I have a triangle like this. If the hypotenuse measures 5, or let's say this is the base that is measuring 3 and the altitude is 4, right? So
Hmm.
these are actually Pythagorean triplets, the numbers 3, 4, and 5, because h square equals to b square plus p square, base and
Yes, sir.
perpendicular, right?
Yes, sir.
It is actually fulfilling this equation. ये जो numbers हैं इस equation को satisfy करते हैं. So h square
Hmm.
will be h square will be how much?
16. But no, 25, sir.
Arham, hmm, let me write it. So it is 25 now. B square,
Yes, sir. 3 3 9.
then
60.
16. So 25 equals to 25 over here,
60. 25. Yes, sir.
right? So such numbers are
Hmm.
called Pythagorean triplets,
Pythagorean triplet. Yes,
right?
sir.
So you can check it for other numbers also. For example, take a number like take another triangle in which the values, for example, measure like this. This one is let's say 13 hai, this one is 12, and this one let's say it's 5. So you can check it
Hmm.
for this one also. We would find
Yes,
that
sir.
13 square equals 169 right now.
Yes, sir.
2 square 144 and
144.
5 square is 25. So
Yes,
25
sir.
plus 144 कितना होता है ये? 196,
169.
296, 169 actually, right? So yes,
Yes, sir.
base and perpendicular k square के sums that is equal to the square of the hypotenuse.
Yes, sir.
So that this is basically the Pythagorean triplet
Yes, sir.
right now. Okay,
Sir,
so
but
the question
if
comes,
anyone
what is
asks
the
like,
Mhm.
if
Uh,
anyone asks like, what is the, give some examples. Like you just said, a Pythagorean triplet.
hmm.
We have to solve every time. We have to learn. We have to memorize.
Look, you actually need to have a formula for it. How can you memorize all the Pythagorean triplets numbers? क्योंकि Pythagorean
Yes, sir.
triplets तो बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. There could be endless combination of it, ना? Look here.
Hmm.
In order to find the Pythagorean triplets, Ahmed, you also learn this thing. Although we are discussing about the mensuration chapter, okay, Ahmed, you are able to hear me. Although we are talking about the mensuration, but a topic came up here, so I would like to discuss that again. So look here, how do we generate a Pythagorean triplet? Okay, now, for example, let's say कि हमारा B है, A है, and C है. Guys, is there any background noise coming from my side?
No, sir. No.
No, no. Okay, okay. Actually, in the neighbor, there's some quarrelsome going on. Okay, I don't know for what reason. That's what I thought. Maybe I ask you guys. Anyways, so in order to represent this A हमारा क्या है? That is the perpendicular here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and that B here is representing the base, and that C here is representing the hypotenuse, right? Now,
Hypotenuse.
you guys are
Yes,
aware
sir.
of the basic things here, right? So A will be equals to m square minus n square. B will be 2 into nm or mn, and C will be
Hmm. Yes,
n
sir.
square plus m square, right? So this m and n are here positive integers. The question is that ये m and n क्या है? M and n are the positive integers here, and the value of
Yes,
m
sir.
is greater than n right now.
Hmm.
So we could take any numbers. For example, let's take m as 2, n as 3. m हमने
Hmm.
2 लिया है, n हमने 3 लिया है. So now
But
let's,
M is greater than N, right?
oh sorry, 3 now, 3 and 2. So हमने 3
Hmm.
लिया है, then 2 लिया है. So अगर हमें a की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, a की वैल्यू, so he will be m square minus n square.
Yes, sir. 9 minus 5.
M square minus n square. That is 9 minus 4, that is 5 here.
Oh,
So a will
yes,
be
sir.
5 here. अब हम c की बात करते हैं. C will be found out using n square plus m square, right now.
Yes, sir.
C is n square plus m square. So Ahmed and Arham, n square will be 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And m square
And
will be
9.
9. 9 plus 4, 13 होगा ये. So ये
13.
हमारा
Yes,
13
sir.
है. Right. So second हमें number मिल चुका है. The third one will be found out using this one. B equals to 2 into 2 into n into m. So
Yes,
B
sir.
equals to 2 times n into m. That is 2 into 2 into 3. So that is 12.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So moments ago,
Hmm.
just I told you, I just gave you an example of this Pythagorean triple 5, 12, and 13. Right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So and I can actually found out it using this formula. Right now.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this a formula which your teacher gave you?
No, sir.
No. So remember this
No.
formula. Okay, this formula
Yes,
is
sir.
very important. Actually, do note it or take a screenshot of it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ahmed, assalamu alaikum. You are not saying
Well,
anything.
sorry, sir, my Wi-Fi is working when
Okay.
joined the.
Sir, our
Oh,
teacher gave
okay.
us the formula is 2m square plus
Hmm.
m square minus 1 whole square
Hmm.
equals
Hmm.
to m square plus 1 whole square.
Hmm. Okay. Will you please repeat that?
2m square
Hmm.
plus m square minus
Hmm.
1 whole square.
Hmm. Minus 1 whole square.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Equals
That
to
is equals to
m square plus 1 whole square again.
that is m square plus
1
1
whole square.
m square plus 1 whole square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Look, it's the same thing as ये जो Pythagorean triplet का हमारा equation होता है ना, it is simply
Yes,
the
sir.
same thing. Okay now.
Hmm.
And the one which I have gave you here,
Yes, sir.
like for A, B and C over here, ये हमारे Pythagorean triplets number अगर हमें find करने हैं, so as I told you that A will be found out using the formula m square minus n square. B will
Yes,
be
sir.
found out using the formula 2 into m into n, and
Yes,
C
sir.
will be found out using the formula n square plus m square, or
Yes,
m
sir.
square plus n square. Simply remember this formula. Okay, nothing too complex about it. I just showed
Yes,
you
sir.
guys that how we can actually found out Pythagorean triplet using this formula. Okay now,
Yes, sir.
but always remember A is what here? A here is perpendicular. B here is
Yes, sir.
2mn. Okay, and C here is the hypotenuse. In fact, आप खुद भी इसको find कर सकते हैं. Like just take any two random numbers. Okay now, for example, m and n की जगह पे हमने क्या किया ना, m की जगह पे हमने 2 लिया, n की जगह पे 1. Right, so you can
Yes,
start
sir.
finding the Pythagorean triplets using the numbers 2 and 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but remember both have to be positive integers. Okay, Ahmed, you also learn this thing. Okay, so that is the formula. Actually, you guys need to remember. Actually, to take screenshot of it. Okay,
Sir, I have written it.
written it. All right, all right. Okay now. Or in fact, use your formula, and that is also correct here. Okay now,
Hmm.
that is also correct here. So 2m square plus m square minus 1 its whole square equals to m square plus 1 square. So it is 2m square a square. M square is a square here. For example, a is a minus b के whole square के form में है, right now. So
Yes, sir.
m square minus 1 whole square will be m square का whole square होगा, that is 4 right now. Then
Yes, sir.
it will be 1, then minus plus 1 minus 2 m square into 1, that is minus 2 m square simply. So it will be m square plus 1 square.
Yes, sir.
Right. Actually, this thing here now, this formula actually fits this formula, h square equals to p square plus b square. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Anyways, back to what we were discussing. Let's get back to the topic which we were discussing actually. We were talking about the exercise 20.2. We did solve question number 6 actually, right? Now, हमने ये solve कर लिया
Yes, sir.
or not? No, question number 6 we haven't
No,
solved
sir.
it yet. No?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Yes, I have to
So,
solve.
Ahmed, we are solving question number 6 of exercise 20.2. Okay. Okay. So in question, basically it's saying that the lengths of the bases of a trapezium. Okay, we need to find the sum of the lengths of the bases of trapezium whose area is this one. So this is trapezium whose area has been given as 4.2 square meter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You need to find out that what is AB and what is CD. And actually height
sir.
of the trapezium is provided as 280 centimeter. So this 280
Yes, sir.
centimeter has to be converted into meter in order to do the calculation first.
Hmm.
So come on, it can be solved easily. Yes, Ahmed. I know. Solve it,
Yes, sir.
both of you. Okay. Our today's target is to complete this exercise. Okay, now we are somewhere
sir.
around 17, 18 questions. Up to 20 questions are there in this exercise. We will try to complete that. Okay, now. So please
Yes, sir.
be quick. When you're solving questions now, like when you're solving questions live in the class, there's no need to write all the steps. Okay. If you have actually understood how to do the question, simply do it in 1 or 2 steps. Okay, just put the values and get your answer. Yes, Arham,
Sir,
are you
not.
having difficulty?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look here now. Ahmed, what about you? Okay, look, let me explain कर देता हूँ, ठीक है ना? So question here basically says that we need to find the sum of the lengths of the bases of a trapezium. Okay, जब मैं base कहता हूँ ना, it does not necessarily mean DC. AB and DC both are bases. Okay, you can
Yes, sir.
understand it either ways, that simply the lengths of the bases, that means AB and DC. You need to find that what is AB plus DC equals to. We don't need to find
Yes,
what
sir.
is AB or what is DC. We need to find what is AB plus DC equals to. ठीक है ना? So
Yes, sir.
AB plus DC, that is simply A plus B here. A है, ये हमारा B है, right? So A and B we need to find out, while height of the trapezium is given as 280 centimeter. ठीक है? Okay, move to a fresh page. So you are solving question number 6, in which In this trapezium, you need to find AB plus CD equals to what? While this one is given as 280 centimeter in meter. Quickly tell me what will be it. What will be in meter?
42,000, sir.
In meter, 280 centimeter in meter will be.
Oh, okay.
Wait, there's no need to actually do calculation for such a small things. Simply 280 upon 100 will be 2.8 now. Yes, Ahmed Arham,
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir, yeah.
right now. So it will be 2.8 meter. While the area of the trapezium has been provided as 4.2 square meter right now.
Hmm.
So the solution will be, first we will write whatever is given in the question. So in the question, area of trapezium has been given as 4.2 square meter, and the altitude or simply the height, whether I say altitude or height in terms of mathematics, it means same. So it is
Yes, sir.
280 centimeter, or in meter it will be 2.8 meter. ठीक है ना?
Hmm.
2.8 meter, right? Now
Yes, sir.
the solution now will be, as we know, half into sum of the opposite bases multiplied the height between them as given in the question. It's
Yes,
4.2
sir.
square meter that has been provided in the question. And
Hmm.
also write what is it that you need to find a plus b equals to what? हमें ये find करना है ना? What is the sum of the
Yes,
opposite
sir.
bases of the trapezium? So it will be
Yes, sir.
half times a plus b multiplied 2.8 equals to 4.2 square meter.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it what you need to do? Getting it now?
Hmm.
So then it
Yes,
will
sir.
be a plus b, okay, equals to, अच्छा हम इसे पहले cancel भी कर सकते हैं, okay ना?
Yes, sir.
So let's cancel it out.
1.4.
Exactly, a plus b into 1.4 equals to 4.2 square meter. Getting it, guys?
Yes, sir. So it's
So
3
then
meter.
equals to 4.2 upon 1.4. So that gets cancelled by 3. Okay,
Yes, sir.
decimal will be cancelled. 14 3s are 42. So the sum of the opposite bases is 3 meter. Getting it, both of you.
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
also
So
did the same, sir, but I can't do further.
okay, no issue. Sum of a plus b equals to 3 meter, right now? All right.
Yes, sir.
Ahmed, you also got it now? Shall we move to the next question then? Question
Hmm.
number 7 here. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides of length 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter are at a distance of 6 centimeter from each other. Calculate this area as the sum of the areas of two triangles and one rectangle. The difference in the area of rectangle and the sum of the areas of two triangles. Good question. So question हमारे कह रहा है ना, this is a trapezium actually, in which the lengths of
Hmm.
opposite sides are as 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter, and the distance between them basically means the altitude right now. So that has been
Yes,
given
sir.
as how much? 6 centimeter. So all this thing has been given, we could have easily found out the answer, हम easily find कर सकते हैं. But then the question
Yes,
says
sir.
that we need to calculate this area कुछ इस तरह से that you need to find the sum of the areas of two triangles and one rectangle right now. So
Yes,
हमने
sir.
क्या करना है कि इस trapezium को two triangles में divide करना है and then in one rectangle.
Hmm.
Getting it, guys? So
Yes, sir.
this is 10 centimeter and this is also 10 centimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay now. So we need to find this, it like a plus b plus c will be equal to what? Okay now.
Yes.
So we can do it in that manner also right now.
Hmm.
We will not be having the values like ये हमारा
Yes,
triangle है, इसका हमें altitude मिल चुका है, half into base
yes,
into
sir.
height. So height is already 6 centimeter for this one, or for this triangle also it is 6 centimeter. Getting it
Yes,
now?
sir.
Okay. So actually what you will do now, you will be adding both the triangles, this one, this one.
Yes, sir.
So their bases will be common now. Their bases will have a measurement of 5 centimeter combined together.
Yes, sir.
So you can
2.5,
do it in
2.5.
that manner. That half into 6 into 5 it is going to be.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then it will be 10 into 10 actually. Actually,
Hmm.
do solve this one. Okay, do solve this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ahmed, getting it now?
So the sum of um, okay, just wait. So the area of the two triangles are 15 centimeter, and the one rectangle is 60 centimeter.
Hmm. Yeah, that is actually correct. The one you just told me now. The
Yes,
area
sir.
of the two triangles will be 15 square centimeter, and that of the rectangle will be 60 square centimeter. That is actually correct.
Yes, sir.
Ahmed, Ahmed, getting it or not?
So should I do the second one?
Yeah, you actually attempt the second one. Ahmed, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Ahmed, your voice is usually very low in the class. I mean to say, like you are having network issues.
So the second one is 45.
Yeah, that is 45. Obviously, 60 minus 15, that will be 45 square centimeter. Good.
Yes, sir.
Attempt question number 8.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Question number 7. Did you got the solution of it?
I
Look. Look here. I will be explaining it again. Do you want me to explain it again, Ahmed?
yes, sir.
Okay, look here. The question was saying here now that the parallel sides of a trapezium are as follows: 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter. And then the distance between the parallel sides, simply its height was given as 6 centimeter. ठीक है ना? So we just simply needed to find the area of the trapezium. हम easily find कर सकते हैं because we have the length of opposite sides and the distance between them also. But we need to find it in such a manner कि हमने इसे, as per the first question, it is saying that we need to divide it into two triangles and a rectangle. So we have done it in that manner. Okay now. So the measurement of the height of the triangle, let's name it actually A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so in triangle ABF, in this its area will be half into AB into FB right now. For triangle ECD also, this one I'm talking about, this one ECD, its area is also going to be half into CD into EC, isn't it? Okay, so I can add both the areas together, so it will be half into, okay now, half into AB into FB plus half into CD plus EC, right? Now
Yes,
look
sir.
for this thing here that AB and CD will actually measure 5 centimeter because ये हमारा BC that is going to be 10 centimeter. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this together will be 5 centimeter. So I will be taking half times AB and half times CD common. Let's take it separate here. So half into
Yes, sir.
AB plus CD. Okay, then it will be FB plus EC right now. So in fact, you can take FB plus EC also as common. Okay, because both of them measure 6 centimeter here. So it's going to be half into 5 plus 6 here. So 2 times 3, 3 times, uh, yeah, half into base into height actually, yeah. So 3 times 5, that is going to be 15. So the sum of the two triangles area is equal to 15. And for the rectangle, is simply going to be 10 multiplied 16. So that is 60 plus 15 here. That gives you 75 square centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the second one can also be solved, that it's saying that you need to find the difference of the rectangle and the sum of the areas of two triangles. Sum of the areas of two triangles we found out to be 15, and for the rectangle it's 60. So 60 minus 45, that is going to be 45 square centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, question number 8. Have you got its solution, Arham?
Yes, sir.
So that is how
So
much?
the altitude is 24 centimeter.
Okay. So question number 8 you were solving.
Sir, it's right. I've cross-checked it.
You have checked it now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So why not then move to the next question then? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ahmed and Arham, both of you look at question number 9 here. So in this
Yes, sir.
question, it's being given that we need to find the sum of the areas of two trapezium and a rectangle. So two trapeziums, this one, and the rectangle is also given here. All right. So look, the total height of this figure is 70 centimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this much measurement here is 50 centimeter, right? So
Yes, sir.
this
Sir, can you
much,
try first?
yeah, you guys try it first. Both of you try it first.
So the answer is 1,300 centimeter.
1300 centimeter,
Yes, sir.
square centimeter. Ahmed, what about you? You got the answer? Yes, Ahmed. Aram, you attempt the next question, question number 10.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ahmed, I could not hear you properly. Yeah. Ahmed, Ahmed, am I audible to you? Okay, let me just solve question number 9 then. Okay, I can't hear you properly. Okay. Okay, so in the figure, you get to see that this much of distance is 30 centimeter. This one is also 30 centimeter. And the height, the length of this rectangle is 50 centimeter. And the total length of the figure, height of the figure is centimeters, 20 centimeter. So this much of distance is going to be 10 centimeter. And this one is also going to be 10 centimeter over here. So this 10 centimeter, we can take it to be the height of the trapezium. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about the opposite base, opposite side, this one? Look here.
10 centimeter.
Exactly. Here, the total length here is being given as 30 centimeter right now. And this
Yes, sir.
much is 10 centimeter right now. This one, this distance here is also 10 centimeter. This one is 10, this
Yes,
one
sir.
is 10, and this one should also be 10 because the total is 30 centimeter. So we have got it over now here now. So area
Yes, sir.
of figure will be area of two trapeziums plus area of rectangle over
Rectangle.
here. So for the area of two trapezium, it's going to be half times 30 plus 10 multiplied the distance between them, that is 10.
20.
Okay,
20, master.
so the distance between them is 10 now. Look, I have just taken one trapezium first. मैंने दोनों trapezium अभी नहीं लिया है. I have taken just one trapezium. 30 this distance, 10 is this
Yes, sir.
distance, and then the height between them, the distance between them is 10 centimeter now. Look over
So
here.
it's 20, right? 70 minus 50.
What about this one here? Huh? Look,
Yes,
the
that's.
total length of the figure is 70 centimeter, right?
Hmm.
And from here to here, it's 50 centimeter. So this much and then this much, both will be together 20 centimeter. and each of them measures 10 centimeter.
Oh, okay.
Getting it now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And since both the trapezoids are similar, can't I just multiply it with 2 rather than adding it 2 times?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na. Hmm. So I will be simply multiplying it with 2 times. Getting it now, right? So
Yes,
plus
sir.
area of rectangle. So area of rectangle will be 50 times 10 now, isn't it, Ahmed
500.
and Arham? So 50 and then this breadth is 10. So that is going to be 2
Yes, sir.
and 2 can be cancelled here right now.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will be 400
400.
and it will be 500. So that will be 900 square centimeter, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
is the correct answer actually.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Solve question number 10 then.
Sir, done. 0.88.
Done. Okay. What is the answer you're getting? Simple question about the
Yes, sir. 0.88.
0.88. 0.88 what? Meter, square meter,
Square meter, sir.
square meter. Okay. Hmm. Ahmed, yeah. Ahmed, am I audible to you? I believe you. Is your connection stable now? Please get that fixed now. Okay. Then it's simply the opposite sides are given half into 1 plus 1.2. That will be 2.2 over here. And then multiplied by 0.8. Right?
Yes, sir. It will be 1.1.
Hmm. So it's 88 upon 100. So that is 0.88 square meter. Correct. Then move on to next question. That is question number. Question number 11. See
Yes,
this
sir.
question. The cross section of a canal is a trapezium in shape. This question is also of the same nature. Okay, of the same
Yes, sir.
nature as the ones we have been doing. Okay, quickly solve it.
Yes, sir.
You will be simply writing half times a plus b multiplied h. Okay, equals to 72 square meter. Then put all the values whichever whatever has been given
Sir,
in
the
the question.
answer is 9.
The answer is 9 for
9.
question number 11. Okay,
Yes, sir. 9
do it
centimeter. Meter.
9 meter here. Right, so Ahmed, you also look at this half into a plus b. So 10 plus 6, that is 16 into h equals to 72. Right, so h equals to 72 upon 8, that is 9 meter. Very
9.
good. Question number 12. Okay, do one this also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ahmed, you still can't connect. I mean, is your stable? Is your connection stable now? I hope you guys haven't forgotten how do we how we used to find the sum of interior angles of a polygon, or how we used to find the exterior angles of a polygon. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Having any difficulty?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what have you done so far?
So, I did 91 centimeters square equals to with height which is 7 upon 2 multiplied by 8
Hmm.
plus b.
Multiplied by
8 plus b.
8 plus b. Look, you have taken only one of the sides. What about the another one?
It's not given, right?
Look here. None of the values of the sides have been given. We have to assume it. Okay. Question number 12 now. So question number 12, it says that there's a trapezium like this. Area is 91 square centimeter. Ahmed, you also look at the solution. The height of the figure is 9 centimeter. One of the parallel sides is longer than the another by 8 centimeter. Suppose the smaller one measures x centimeter, so the longer one will be x plus 8 simply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now then put the values of the lengths in the equation, then you will be getting your answer for sure. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay now. Getting it now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very important to have a stable network connection in the class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If connection from any of the sides is not stable, then the class cannot be smooth. Okay.
Hmm. So I'm getting x equals to 35.
X equals to 35.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then another one is 43.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So half times x plus 8. Okay, so it's half into 2x plus 8
Yes, sir.
multiplied 7 equals to
Yes, sir.
91 right now. Okay,
Hmm.
so I will be
It
transposing
cancels to
7 to
2.
the another side. I will be transposing 7 to over here right now.
Yes, sir.
So half into 2x plus 8 will be 91 equals to 91 upon 7, और simply
Yes, sir.
मैंने से 13 अभी लिख दिया. Okay,
Hmm.
so it's equals to 13. No issue in that.
Yes,
That
sir.
is 13. So 2 and 2 are getting cancelled over here. 2 and
Hmm.
2 are getting cancelled over here. So x plus 8 equals to 13. So x equals to 13 minus 8. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
x equals to
30 minus 8.
yeah. So
5.
that should be 5 over here
Hmm.
right now. Okay now. So half
The bigger
into
side will be
2x plus
13.
8 multiplied 7 equals to 91 over here right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look here. This 2 here is in is in division with both 2x and 8 now. So this one also be 4 now. It be 4 hoga हमारा ना. 2 is 2 and 2 are getting cancelled here, and it will be cancelling this one also. So x plus 4 hoga ना हमारा ये,
Oh, yes, sir.
right now. So it will be x plus
Hmm.
4 equals to 13. Thereby x will be 13 minus 4, that is 9.
9.
So this one measures 9 and this one measures 17 meter, right?
Yes, sir.
So these are
Hmm.
the values. Then moving on to question number 13 here. So question number 13 is saying that the area of a trapezium has been provided as 384 square centimeter, and the
Yes, sir.
parallel sides are in the ratio of 3:5. Okay,
Yes, sir.
3:5 के ratio में है, and the perpendicular distance between them is 12 centimeter. Find the length of each of the parallel sides. So we can actually assume the ratios in terms of x. So that will be 3x and 5x, right?
Yes, sir.
According to the question, half times 3x plus 5x, that is 8x multiplied 12, that is 384. So that is what we need to
Yes,
do.
sir.
Question of the similar nature, right?
Hmm.
So quickly find it out.
Yes, sir.